Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly flat at 10,638.86. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged slightly lower by 0.03%, while Germany's DAX gained 0.55%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,137.69, while the S&P 500 also fell to 7408.3, as investors weighed political tensions, higher oil prices, and tariff concerns. In company news, HSBC has agreed to sell its Singapore insurance business to Allianz for $2.1 billion, continuing its strategy of streamlining operations and focusing on core banking. Meanwhile, Burford Capital reported a potential $600 million arbitration award relating to a mining dispute in Cameroon, marking a significant development for the litigation finance specialist. Against sterling, the US dollar and Swiss franc strengthened slightly, while the euro, Japanese yen, and Australian dollar eased. Bitcoin rose. In commodities, copper edged higher, gold slipped slightly, Brent crude continued to strengthen on supply concerns, and natural gas also moved high. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Cray. Have a great day.